Let's make zipper tabs. All you'll need is zipper ready to go. Pull should already be installed if you are using zipper tape and zipper pull that are separate. And then you'll need 2 pieces of fabric for your zipper tab. These are 2" by 2" squares. Let's get them ready. Taking one of the squares, you are going to fold the fabric in half and press. You can either finger press or use an iron. Open it back up. You'll see that you have a center crease right there. You're going to take one edge and fold it in to meet that center and press. Turn it around, fold the other side to that center crease and press. Fold both finished edges on top of each other so you have a little tab sandwich. Nom, nom, nom. And press. Repeat those steps for the remaining tab, and you should have 2 tabs that look like this. Now you are ready to attach them to your zipper. Take a tab, take a zipper end, place that tab and sandwich that zipper end inside. It should meet the center. You're just making a zipper tab sandwich, and you're just securing with a pin. Do the same thing to the other side. Take your other tab, put it at the other end of the zipper. Make another zipper tab sandwich. Again, that zipper is meets the center of that tab. Fold it over and hold with a clip. All that's left to do is sew the tabs to the zipper. You will take this to your sewing machine and sew along this edge using about a 1/8 seam allowance. And I usually start at one end and sew down, and then I will flip it around and sew back over it so it's double stitched. I'll show you at my machine. When sewing the tab onto the zipper is to the right of the needle, and I'm going to sew at about an 1/8 inch seam allowance. You can see I'm not using any zipper foot. It's just my regular daily foot that I use all the time. Take my clip off, carefully hold that tab in place as I sew. I will sew this tab onto the zipper using a 1/8 inch seam allowance, and I will also use a little bit larger stitch length. I like to go at about a 3 for sewing on the zipper tab. Yes, I'm sewing through the zipper because it's a nylon zipper. It is not metal, so it is safe to sew through. That's why I like to use nylon zippers. Once I reach the end of that tab, I'm going to leave the needle down. I'm just going to flip it around, and I'm going to sew right back over that stitch line that I already made, so it's kind of like it's double sewing it just to keep it secure. And then I will back stitch it, and then I'm going to sew the other side as well. Now that your tabs are sewn on, you can see they hang off a little bit. I just take my rotary cutter and trim off all of the edges, being careful not to cut into the tape. And now you have a beautiful zipper ready to sew into a bag.